What's up? This is Fahim. Thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you my everything I know about marketing. Well, not everything, but as much as I could about marketing. But one thing is for sure is that this video is going to be something very important because I'm going to share with you the main thing that you need to know, that you must know if you are someone who wants to sell something online or offline. Okay, so it's going to be very resourceful, and I hope you will not miss it. Watch it until the end. And a small request at the beginning: if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe me right now. It will motivate me to upload future contents. So let's get straight to the topic today. In this video, basically I'm going to talk about marketing. Okay, how you can connect with your dream customers and sell. Okay, and what I mean by sell is really sell, because to sell you have to do something that most marketers do not do, and that's why most of them actually fail. Okay, the thing is, what is marketing? Well, when I graduated from the University of Development Alternative 5 years ago, my understanding about marketing was very little. I understood that marketing is a way of communicating with potential customers and convince them to buy my product. Okay, subconsciously try to change their mind and buy from me. Okay, that was my only limited understanding about marketing back then. And afterwards, when I decided to become a full-time online marketer, I learned from everywhere, anywhere where wherever I find something useful, I learned from there. I learned for YouTube. I saw countless I watched countless number of videos on YouTube, and I purchased a lot of online courses, and I read a lot of books. And when I acquired so many when I acquired knowledge every single day, my understanding about marketing began to actually develop. Well, marketing is basically, my understanding is connecting with your potential customers and understanding their pain points, what they are basically, what problems they're facing, what questions they're asking, and modeling your product and offering that as a solution of their problems. Okay, what I mean by this is your product must solve their problems. Your product must solve their problems. If you are someone who wants to develop a product, get the idea you need from here. Okay, your product must solve your target audience's problems, and if it doesn't, they're not going to buy and you will not be successful. Okay, your product must solve problems. So the first thing is, let's assume that you have something to promote, or you have your own product to promote. Now it's time to connect with your potential customers and sell them. Okay, selling is very important, and to sell, you actually need to know the core ideas about marketing, the strategies, and you have to implement them. Okay, the first thing you need is you have to know your target customers. Who are your target consumers? Okay, for example, let's say I sell this mobile phone. My target consumers are those who are interested in buying mobile phones, not those who wants laptop. Okay, and if another example, if I, for example, offer service to stay fit, about fitness, my target audiences are those who are interested in fitness. So first of all, you have to identify your target consumers, and there are strategies to do that, and I'm going to about to go there. So you have to know who your target consumers are, and then you have to connect with them. You have to know their problems, you have to know their what questions they have. Okay, you have to know their desires, what they want. Okay, you have to have a clear understanding about your consumers. Okay, and to do that, you need to do a lot of research, because the closely you will know your consumers, the more money you will make. Because when you know your consumers pain points, when you know their questions and their problems, you can not only offer your product as a solution to their problems, you can also design your advertising and landing page copy in a way so that they understand that they will be benefited from what you are offering and their problems will be solved. Okay, the thing is, yeah, you can there are a lot of places where you can find out your target consumers, and let me share that where you will find your consumers. Okay, you will go in Facebook groups, you can go in forums, for example Reddit, you can go to Quora to know your consumers questions, you can go to YouTube, and in the comment sections you can know what your consumers have, what questions they have, and what problems they are facing. Okay, for example, my niche is make money online. My target audiences are those who wants to make money online, who wants to create an online career, okay, an online business. I will go to those targeted groups that are based on this topic. Okay, groups like ClickFunnels, groups like ClickFunnels Avengers, groups like the science of selling online by Steven Larson. So those are my targeted groups. If I go there, I will find a lot of my potential customers. They will post there, they will ask their questions, so I will know them. I can also go to Quora or Reddit, and if I just search this keyword online business, I will find a lot of questions that my target audiences are asking. Okay, so what I do is, and what you need to do is, write down those questions, write down those problems they have, and and these questions you will use in your landing page copy, in your advertising. Okay, you will offer these solutions in your advertising and in your landing pages, so whenever one of your prospect will visit your landing page, they will understand that you are offering solution of their problems, and they will be able to relate to that. Okay, and when that do, boom, it will be very easy to sell your product. Okay, because they are having their solution, and your sales will grow more than expected ratio. Okay, I promise if you implement that, your sale will definitely go up, and you will see massive success. So guys, this was today's topic, and if you want to learn more about it, please check out my mentorship program, and where I basically teach new guys how about online marketing, and basically I teach how to create an online business in 5 days. So check it out, and if you like this video, please give me a subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. The link will be on the screen now. So talk to you in the next video. Until then, be safe